Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Camera or Photos app and tapping the visual lookup icon to start recognition. Make sure you grant image access. This improves accuracy, so the system can analyze context. Once done, frame the subject tightly and steady the device. Motion blur or bright backlight will reduce matches. You'll see hints like a glowing badge or magnifier. Tap that to begin the lookup. This first step gets you from point and shoot to actionable visual data quickly and reliably. Once visual lookup returns results, you refine and interpret them by tapping on the on-screen tags. Choose plant, landmark, or object as appropriate. You'll see details such as names, origin, measurements, or care tips. Tap suggestions to expand each. Make sure to compare alternate matches and the confidence percentage so you can gauge reliability. If two suggestions seem plausible, inspect the highlighted areas the tool used. That helps you understand why it chose each option and which one fits your context best. You finish by acting on the matched info. Save it to a note, add to a collection, or copy exported text for later use. If results feel vague, use reverse image search or run the lookup on a cropped, focused version of the subject. Make sure to retake photos with better lighting or from another angle when confidence is low. That often fixes errors. If the feature still fails, reboot the app or check permissions. Those quick fixes restore functionality in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.